It's called a majestic tropical sanctuary. For ages, descendants have benefited from its richness. Discovering the allure, it takes faith and techniques. Heading to the destination, extraordinary views are all the way. All about documentary, The Great Summits, tonight at 10.
神聖山峰不可褻瀆，孕育生命，造福後代。要探索佢嘅魅力，技術同信念同樣重要。一路向上，美麗風景嘆為觀止。環球大百科絕頂之峰，今晚8點半亞洲台。